which wasn't enough to pass Devontae.
Oh, I know.
Up top, McCarr with a shimmy move, shoots! Saved by Binnington, rebound! Oh my goodness! Hunt just sent it right across the open goal mouth.
Just a little bit. Kale's so good at getting the puck through amongst all of his talents, but the hook, that's the penalty.
St. Louis right now firing at will. High slot shot, save Georgiev, rebound, tipped off shot off the side of the cage by Buchnevich, and he tried to get salty. Another save by Georgiev, batted forward, that puck is in the slot. And finally the Avs were able to skid it out with McKinnon. Cutting through Rodriguez, a wraparound try! Oh, and the puck got stopped. Rodriguez again with a shot, and that's wide of the net.
Seven Rodriguez, I got to tell you, he is impressing me more game by game. His skating ability, the amount that coach trusts.
Mikko in front, knocked him free as McKinnon went to the top of the crease. McCarr bumps a one-timer, save Binnington, and that was a nice push to deny Rodriguez. Here we go for period number 2, Compher and O'Reilly. Off for Manson. We'll slow throw it into the neutral zone. Here are your first period stats presented by Caesars Sportsbook. As Binnington will step out of his crease to play that block. Thomas kicks it up top, but it's stolen by Cogliano. He'll race into the Blues end, short-handed, staring at Fulton Johnson. Count with his shot, saved by Binnington. He closed the pillows at the very last second.
Nowhere to go, and then here's the Coe chance. Now Cogliano goes, he drops it. Coe gets it, shoots it.
Magna off the bench, racing toward it, but reversed by Rosen. Shen, crushed by Ranta. Down to the ice he goes, Avs will dig it loose with Hunt. Dryden Hunt with a backhander, save, rebound, battle for, low slot, the Avs cannot come up with it.
Watch Dryden Hunt. He's had so many great A chances to score right off the shoulder. Jason
McCarr picking him up on the back check. It's hard to create separation. A whale from McCarr. Here comes McKinnon. Can he get wide on Rosen? A backhand shot and a kick save by Binnington, and that was a beauty. Blues still with it. Give it up. Mikkola fans on it. McCarr kicks it to his play. Hounded by Levo as he comes out of the zone. Now it's McKinnon in. Drops it for Rantanen, and wrist shot. He scores! Mikko Rantanen picks top shelf and rams it underneath the crossbar. And the #1 star of the week keeps on keeping on.
Big time wrist shot right here. Finally, something doesn't get blocked. What a play by Cale Makar to spinorama. Gives it to McKinnon. McKinnon plays a little bit of interference, and right there shoots just past the shin pad. Gets by the stick, it's a perfect screen. And that is top shelf for Mum Hides the Stanley Cup. Eventually you knew it had to come.
The brains, the lungs, the legs.
Everything goes.
Everything's like, you know what? Nap time.
Yeah. Nap time means usually you're -1 time because they scored.
Oh, it's set ahead. Great break by Thomas. He'll shoot, and he scores. Thomas gets behind everybody and is able to send it off the post and in, and the St. Louis Blues.
Well, this is the next big start for the St. Louis Blues. They're just signed an 8-year deal for $8.1 a year. Now, I thought it might have not went in.
Well, that was bar down.
They did go bar down, and then Georgiev might have backed it in. So I don't think it went in till the end. Watch this here, guys. Off the crossbar, down, that puck's not in. And Georgiev's not aware of it, so watch.
Third in the National Hockey League in goals per game at 3.77. This year they're at 2.38. Backhand flip saved by Georgiev. He'll hold on. Game last year, this year at 2.38.
Yeah, that's the biggest difference in this Blues team, Moach. Nobody's scoring. And as I mentioned, didn't come back for the Blues with, for whatever reason, but they're still trying to figure it out without him.
Riley with a wrist shot. Blocker save there by Georgiev. That time McKinnon. Hustle back. Quick, tough angle shot. Puck is in the net. It somehow squeaks through Georgiev at the post. He had it covered, and the Blues have taken a 2-1 lead. Pegged to the post. I can't believe it.
So I think, no, it's just straight on. Just a harmless shot at the net. Somehow it snuck under his skate, Moach. Here's a good look right here. And that sneaks right. Oh, wow, that's unlucky. So the blade's just off the ice, and it looks like it sneaks just over or under the blade and somehow finds its way in.
We should also note that on the Mikko Rantanen tally for the Avalanche, Nathan McKinnon gets 1 assist. Cale Makar, the other, just 14th of the year, but for career assist 146. Kairu's in, shoots and scores on the power play. 13 seconds into period number 3, Jordan Kyrou. And that hurts early on for this Avalanche squad.
What a pass right down the far side. Comes in with all that speed on fresh ice, which I say is always difficult to run a power play on. He just sneaks in behind. Boy, Thomas just thread the needle to Kyrou, who comes in with all that speed. And I don't know if that's a design play or they just kind of created it as they entered the zone. Normally on a power play.
The fire up to Lehkonen. Blues push him wide as Falk stayed right there. Given up. Makar in the slot shoots. Saved by Binnington. And a penalty coming up on the St. Louis Blues. We take another look at it again. Here comes Makar in. There's a chop right across his legs.
And you can't blame him. He was just one move away from a backdoor pass for a wide open wrist shot. And he just got snaked at the last second.
Here's Lehkonen in. Wrist shot. Score! Artturi Lehkonen goes right across Binnington's body. Inside the far post. It's a power play goal.
Yeah, baby. That's what the Avalanche needed right there. Artturi Lehkonen comes in and just waits and waits for Makar. Oh, look at Mikko. Where's he looking? Not where the puck's going. And now watch him wait for the screen. Waits for Cale to get as close as he can and then shoots it.
Fed off, Hunt finds Rodriguez, a drag move in his shot. Saved by Binnington. Rebound, comes into the slot, backhanded. Oh no, it's underneath Binnington in the crease.
Blues defenseman stick. So here's the shot. Here's the chaos. Now watch, it's going to go in and it goes right off the toe.
Kyrou got a piece of it, the linesman says. Chop. Away, shot off the post, rebound, Blues puck to the near side, backhanded to the far side, blast wide of the net.
Far side of the post, watch Brayden Schenn, he knows what he's doing, and look at that comeback, full splits by Georgiev.
We'll keep an eye on Georgiev. Back to MacKinnon, racing in, shoots over the top of the net.
Yeah, here's the MacKinnon shot, he loves that snap, and it looks like it.
Oh. Down to 2:45 left. And again, we'll keep an eye on Georgiev. Stays in, a backhand shot, saved by Georgiev, and his head snapped back. He was able to close his pads in time. MacKinnon racing in, bumps it for Mikko. The redirect stop by Binnington. Loose puck into the corner. O'Reilly took a poke. Down to the ice goes Lehkonen. Puck is underneath O'Reilly. The Avs trying to dig it free. It's bumped to MacKinnon. Working his way into the slot, one-timer. Saved by Binnington.
Makar, actually, I believe. Makar catches
You're right, it is.
all of that.
5 seconds to go. New hook, cuffs it up, shot, blocked away, and the Blues will survive. Oh,